Hi there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is MillyandJonas, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always tuning in. And if you're new, please consider subscribing and liking this video. So today I'll be cooking chapatis. Yeah, I like cooking chapatis. So today I'm just craving chapati and some green grams. That's what I'm cooking, and it's actually around 11 in the morning. So yeah, come join me as I cook some chapati. So here it's the water that I will be using to make the chapati. It's just kind of getting warm, and here we have some green grams, dengu, boiling. Yeah, I can't wait to eat them, and I'm so craving them. Yeah, so they're just boiling there slowly, slowly, and for me here, I'm getting ready to start to. But then thank you for the love that you've shown me, guys. It's much, much love. The views are increasing. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the new subscribers. Thank you. Feel at home. And yeah, let's dive in today's vlog. Today's video. And of course, guys, to have some manners, I had to tie the kitamba because of the hair. Yep. So let me show you where I am so far, so good. And then we continue from there. So this is how I do it. So I'm done putting them into these shapes. It's kind of small, but also it depends with the kind of pan that I have. It's small, so I'll be cooking very small one. And I've come up with 24 chapatis. 24 chapatis. That's a lot, I know, and I'm just alone. So let's now dive into cooking. So this is what I have so far. Yep. 24 of them, those are so many for me. So the green grams are here just boiling. I think zishaiva is it? Yeah, that's a sign. That's a sign zimeiva. So I'll just check up on them if they zimeiva, and then I remove them, and then I start cooking chapati. So guys, I'm just from checking the dengu. Already they are so ready. So let me show you what I do immediately after nimezima moto. So I always prefer immediately from the jiko direct to sieving them, because if they stay with that water, they will start like soaking. I don't know how to explain that, but they will start absorbing the water that was boiling them. I don't know. So let me show you how I do it. So after that, that's where they will stay at least. Zimalize hiyo nini, and then they will be like so ready to cook them. So that's what I do. Yep. At least when I start cooking them, hazitakuwa like na maji maji or something. I like them dry and then I put new soup. Yep. So that's what I do. Let's now get ready to start and cooking karangaring chapati. Yep. Wale watu shapes, si huku. Like those people who really concentrate on the shapes. For me, I don't. Any shape that I will just remove, it satisfies me. But I try my best to come up with a circular one. So, if you see yenye itatokea vizuri, you just don't worry, so long as it's eatable. You know, that's the most important thing. Awesome. Like this one. This is not circular. So this is how I do it. Very simple and fast. Maybe this won't even finish like 1 hour. Within less than an hour, I'll be done. So guys, the first thing that I start doing is then kukausha first, and then after I finish all of them, I start now putting the oil as I'm getting done with it. So that's what I do first. I don't put oil while doing this. Yeah, I find it easy and fast and quick. So that's why you don't see me like putting the oil. I'll do after I'm done with this, rolling all that. Yeah. Are they coming perfect? What do you think? Are they perfect? For me, they are. I think they are. Wow, guys, I'm just done, and here is my final look. Oh, I can't believe I just did that. Actually, nimemaliza na less than an hour. Yay, look at that view, guys. Choo choo. I'm actually now craving to make a smocha. Like kachumbari and then ini kachumbari and then you roll it with chapati. I'm gonna make that for sure. And when I make my smocha, I'll also start like kukaranga the dengu so that I can have my lunch now. I'm so proud of myself. So far, so good. If you're here and you're still watching, please consider liking. You see like that like button down there? Press it. Yep. Thank you. So the onions are ready, are getting ready. Yeah. So these are the spices that I always use, like coriander. I have mixed spices, paprika and black pepper, and sometimes soy sauce. I don't use this so much. And of course, chili cubes. So I'm gonna add them there and then I'm gonna add them here. And then I put my what? My dengu, yeah, and then I will start preparing kachumbari because the chapatis are just giving the smocha vibe. So let me finish here and then I start making kachumbari. So these ones are just ready. I'll let them just boil a little bit and then I remove them. Now let's start making kachumbari. I'm so excited about this mocha thing. I don't know why. I'm so craving it. So one thing that makes me like prepare kachumbari, like I do prepare kachumbari a lot of times because I buy these tomatoes that are very good. So when I go to the market, I choose those tomatoes that are not like reddish, like they are not so ripe. They're at the middle. So when they come here, they just continue ripening. So before zifike ile stage ya kuwa ripe kabisa, nakwanga nimekula hizo tomatoes with kachumbari a lot of times. And I like kachumbari. Like I like kachumbari with pilau a lot of times and also with rice. It slaps very well and I want to try it with chapati. Yeah, so that's a common thing that people like hata huko kwa streets you find them a lot of times. And yeah. So let me prepare kachumbari. I'm so excited. So here I have the onions. I've already soaked them in the salt just to remove that. I don't know what it's called. So here I have the kachumbari. Yay, yay, yay. I'm gonna add some salt, some little bit of salt. Yep. Then I'm gonna stir with spoon now very well. Yep. So that's it. So guys, I have the chapati. Now let's make smocha. Woohoo! Yeah, yeah. I think like that. I think like this. I think like that. I think that way. It's okay. So this is me ready to try smocha. God, it's full. Yani nimeka. I think I overdo. I'm celebrating. So let's try. Oh God, it's big. It's so sweet. So guys, let me end this vlog here or this video here because way it has been such a good video. I just love it. So this one here, it's my third smocha. Yani hii kitu nakula haina stop. So thank you for tuning in and thank you so much. For those who are new here, hope you have subscribed. And thank you so much for watching. So see you in the next video next Sunday at 2 p.m. Let's finish with this.